lower 30s.
Hi guys. It is.
The proceeding has been a weekly tone alert test of the NOAA National Weather Service Weather Radio All Hazard Station, KJY 62 in LaPorte, Indiana, WXJ 57 in South Bend, Indiana, and KXI 94 in Angola, Indiana. Since this is a Severe Weather Awareness Week in Michigan, we are asking you to practice your severe weather emergency plans at this time. If this had been an actual tornado warning or severe weather warning, you would have been instructed to seek safe shelter immediately. This week's test is being held in conjunction with Michigan Severe Weather Awareness Week and is intended to help you reacquaint yourself with your severe weather emergency plan. Severe Weather Awareness Week in Michigan continues through this Saturday, March 21st. Additional Severe Weather Awareness Week and safety information can be found at www.weather.gov/IWX. This concludes the test. We now return to our scheduled programming.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY 62 in LaPorte. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX.
There it was, guys.
The current time is 12:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 11 a.m. Central Daylight